सालों से दुनिया के सबसे बड़े डिफेंस इंपोर्टर्स में एक प्रमुख देश रहा है। हमारा उद्देश्य है कि भारतीय में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बढ़े, नई टेक्नोलॉजीज का भारत में ही विकास हो, प्राइवेट सेक्टर का इस विशेष क्षेत्र में अधिकतम विस्तार हो। आधुनिक और आत्मनिर्भर भारत के निर्माण के लिए रक्षा क्षेत्र में आत्मविश्वास की भावना अनिवार्य है। इस प्रक्रिया के पूरा होने पर श्रमिकों और सेना दोनों को बल मिलेगा।
The buzz and thunder in the sky tells you that India can be confident of achieving Atmanirbharta in development production of indigenous defense equipment. 4.5 months after PM Modi made the pitch of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the government has walked the talk by inking rupees 48,000 crore defense procurement deal. The Cabinet Committee on Security has approved what's till now the largest ever procurement deal in the indigenous defense sector. The Indian Air Force will purchase 83 light combat aircraft Tejas Mark 1A from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for rupees 48,000 crore. The deal is likely to be sealed in February during Aero India 2021. Earlier, the Indian Air Force had already placed an order of 40 fighter jets for 2 squadrons. So far, 20 have been made in what is called the initial operational clearance version. The rest 20 are being made in what is called the final operational clearance version. The long road to India's own fighter jet. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said the indigenous content of LCA Tejas is 50% in Mark 1A variant, which will be enhanced to 60%. The deal has a symbolic importance as it will provide the much needed self-reliance in Indian defence manufacturing under Make in India initiative. It took almost 40 years for the indigenous light combat aircraft to be perceived as the mainstay of the Indian Air Force. Conceived in the 80s to replace the MiG-21s, the first flight of light combat aircraft took place in 2001. Repeated delays, failure in critical technologies and sanctions had bogged down the development of the fighter jets. Though engines and radars are sourced from abroad, in the coming years, DRDO developed AISA radar that will replace the foreign ones in Tejas variant. The advanced Tejas version would be the stepping stone for the development and manufacture of medium-weight Mark II variant. How are Tejas Mark I variants different from others? Though India already has a Tejas squadron, the Mark 1A variant will have 43 improvements over the initial version. Manufacturing and delivery. For manufacturing, HAL has set up second-line manufacturing facilities in Nasik and Bangalore. HAL is also expected to conclude testing and configuration of the aircraft by 2022-23, while handover of initial aircraft to Indian Air Force is expected by 2024. The jets can join the Indian Air Force fleet over the course of the next 6 to 7 years. Public-private partnership. Self-reliance in defense manufacturing cannot be achieved by just relying on defense PSUs, a lesson that India learned during Tejas's development. So, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has donned the mantle of a system integrator with private companies playing a crucial part. According to reports, Larsen & Toubro will provide the wings, while the front fuselage will be manufactured by Dynamactic Technologies. VM Technologies and Alpha Design have also been roped in to produce the Mark 1A variant.